Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's SNC Era here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I do to get this wavy bob look when my weave is getting old. Currently I am wearing the Beauty Forever hair in the length 16, 18, and 20. Right now I'm going to be cutting the hair in a downward motion. You want to do this when you are wearing a wavy look, not a straight look. So if you're going to go straight, I do recommend cutting the hair with clippers. But if you're doing a wavy bob, you can definitely go in a downward motion, and it'll just kind of give you the effect that you're going for. Since you're going to curl the hair anyway, you won't be able to tell if it is a little bit uneven, and you guys will be able to see that at the end of this video. I'm not going to talk through the entire video just because this is a pretty much repetitive process. However, I do just curl the hair with my favorite wand curler, and then I get my edges together with the Murray's Edge Wax Edge Control. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Please don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.